Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on Wi-Fi on iPhone. To turn on Wi-Fi on iPhone, there is two ways. The first one is to swipe down from the top of the screen, and as you can see here, there is on the top of the screen a gray Wi-Fi icon. You can just click on it and it will turn on the Wi-Fi. Or the second solution, or the second way to turn on Wi-Fi, is by going to settings, and after that go to the second option, WLAN. Click on it, and after that you have just, let me deactivate it, you have just to click on WLAN like this, and when it's green it will connect you directly to Wi-Fi. And if you are not connected previously to that Wi-Fi, you can just click on it and it will ask you to enter the password of that Wi-Fi, and after entering the password, your Wi-Fi like this, I will show you. It will ask you for password, and when you enter password, it will connect you to that Wi-Fi. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video.